nails on Monday live tutorials. All right, so again, condensed glue gels for this nails. I'm gonna do one at a time because then you all won't get confused. Thanks so much, Alisa. You can find that in a really cool, because all of you asked for it. Here you go with the love and support. That $5 and under nail art corners. People love it, enjoying it. You can create so many different designs with that. Great. Okay, so let's go into this. Oh, before I'm doing some crystals, I am going to show you this. That's how super duper cute, simple with liquid and powder. Also, you can achieve this look like the same with the gel polish. All right, I'm leaving it on this side. I'm gonna continue doing this.
All right, Slay Queen. So do let us know which contest you're talking about. If you just ask for like the daily giveaway contest, so all you need to do when we're done with live, make sure you name the set and each individual nails, and we'll pick the best name.
Oh, I want to do this.
And thank you, Foxy Luxy.
Hey, Foxy Luxy. Hey, love, how are you? Oh, look at this. Let me see. I want to do this one. And it's come from that super cute crystal collection right there. I want to adjust it in just a little bit. You know what? I'm going to pull that a little bit more. There you go. So I want to go all the way here. You can do however you want. But I want to get whole chain on it, but I don't want the chain to cover my butterflies. So there you go. All right, so here you go. It's different. You don't want this chain? Absolutely, you can. Like, get away with that. I'm using both of them. I mean the both of that cute baby crystal mix. No, hold on. I might get a wrong name.
Baby mix jar.
Oh, baby mix jar. So if you love if you love the mix bags a lot, this is some of the smaller versions of that mix bag. And that is created special for you. Okay, if you're happy with this, we're gonna here. Just let me find one more. I'm gonna just get the smaller crystal.
Oh, you have a minute left.
Okay, so I'm gonna be right back, everyone, on Instagram.
Can you finish that in about a minute or no?
Yeah, this one done.
Yeah.
Look here, and be back with me for the last nails. It's gonna be so much fun with the hot neon orange colors. All right. So